So what we're doing here is establishing a line so I can cut it straight to get the breadboard cut. So I'm registering it off the shortest one, squaring it up. I'm gonna cut it with my new hole saw. Alrighty guys, so off camera, my GoPro was dead, so I didn't record it, but I used my router table and made this cut 1/4 inch and about 3/4 deep, just to account for the breadboard. And I'm about to router this down to, here's my marks right here. So I'm leaving 1/4. Okay, so I messed up. I was cut this too short. Should be back here. I could cut the line that was supposed to be the shoulder. I don't know what they call it, but that's where this is gonna hit, which is 3/4. So I cut it 3/4 too short. So it needs to be back here, 3/4 more. And this will hit that, and I'm gonna leave the 3/4 there, which is gonna hit that. So I'm gonna get it right. Alrighty, so what I did was, this is gonna be the breadboard. Got my measurement, fleshed it up. Now I will transfer the lines onto the end of the table. So what I'm going to do is make a mark here, and make a mark here. And then we'll put it on the mark. Put it on the mark. I guess I could have just used the so that's the line I'm going to be cutting. And that should be the same distance all the way down. Right here it gets a little short. Okay, so now I will run router. And what I'm doing is setting this up to ride along it. So I will clamp it down. Making sure it's on the line. Same with the other side. Somehow I need to get this clamped. Maybe I'll do one side at a time, because this needs to be clamped as well. And I don't know that these will fit. Nope. See that gap right there? Can't have that unless I just put pressure down. Or I can do one side at a time. Use a C-clamp. Or this. It's still too short. That works. I'll router this side and switch it. That's what I'll do. Now I gotta see if the depth is right. Damn it. No, I can't router that. This is gonna be complicated. I don't know what to do. I can go in right here. That's what I'll do. So now I gotta get the measurement right, which is, god damn it. Hold on, let me figure this out real quick. Alrighty, I got it all set up. I got the depth figured out to leave a quarter. Got my straight edge on here. Got it marked, the distance of the breadboard to cut. Then I'll leave the 3/4. Then I'll cut this all out and leave one tenon. Then cut all that out. Yep, that's what we're doing. So I'll get on it. See if it's plugged in. Nope. Gonna get this plugged in. Ugh. All right, here's the moment. No, I gotta figure out how to get this into there. Can't start right here. Well, I guess I can start right here. No. Has to start right here. tighten these. Okay, now we're gonna go. Now I'm going to be cutting this. Okay. One of my Japanese pull saws, I got this one, and I got the bigger one.